The last warehouse sale at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in Chipley, Florida went so well that the manager said, Let's do it again. So WestPoint Home is now offering even bigger discounts on even more name brand items. Sheets, towels, pillows, and household accessories with 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. Enjoy these huge discounts on our best values from Thursday, March 19th through Sunday, April 12th, 2026. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost of the big box stores. Brand names including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Volux. From blankets and throws to plush comforters. From bath towels and memory foam pillows to flannel sheets, shower curtains, comforters, all at low prices. Now is one of your best opportunities to give your home a spring makeover without breaking the bank. With 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Spring Warehouse Sale. Thursday, March 19th through Sunday, April 12th, 2026. 1414 Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And let the spring savings begin.